Ha? Ano sa mape? Music, arts. Ang PE, physical education. Ang X niya is money ang... Ayan, so butayin yung mo kung health. So before we proceed to our discussion, let's have an classroom rules. What are those classroom rules? Number one, please read everyone. So what does it mean? Please explain, Joseph. Yes, thank you, Apole. Maminaw ka sa nag-discuss sa tabangan. Nagdili magtabi sa classmates na dapat mo. Understand? Yes! Good. Number two.
Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Pataas lang.
Pataas lang ka mo kung mag-answer ka. Dili kayo mag-sali-sali na. Basta ipataas, ang gamot ay pataas. Diba? Dili ang natin tingog pa. Gatulog! Say it properly. Wait, ano naman say properly? Oh, ano na say properly na. Number 4, mangga. Oh, isa. So, sabi na to, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, before we proceed our discussion, I have a question. Number 1. What is drug? What's a drug? Kumansya, hindi pataas ang gamot. Pataas ang gamot. Oh, ikaw, Alin? Oo. Sabag yan. Ha? Pilihan niyo. So, what is drug? Drug is substances that can be taken into the human body and once taken, alter some process within the body. So, ang drugs, pwede din sa may mga yan eh. Isa na eh, paracetamol. Yeah, di ba kita to? O, pwede sa consider as a drug. So, di ba? Kuhanin yung mga, subukan mo sa inyong kuhan. Tatay ko, tambal daw. Bigyan ka pa, hatag ang tulot na. Dito sa drugstore. Ross Pharmacy, drugstore. Dili kay hardware, ha? Drugstore, sa sabat, tambal, di ba? Mga tambal na siya. So, na ako yung ipakita sa inyo mga pa na video. Paminaw, tanong taro sa video ha. Kaya mag-question ko pag kumain na eh.
Have you ever heard someone joke about being addicted to chocolate? Unfortunately, the reality of addiction is no joke. An addiction can be to a substance, like drugs or alcohol, or to a behavior, like playing video games. So, what is the difference between really liking something and being addicted? The difference lies in three main things: obsessive thoughts, feeling like you can't stop, and continuing to use or do that substance or behavior despite having negative consequences. Meet Tony. He really likes video games and plays them every day. At first, he kept up with his grades, but started doing less of his homework. Then, he started staying up later and later to play. This caused him to be exhausted at school. When his parents tried to get him to stop playing so much, Tony got very angry, which wasn't like him. He started skipping school, so Tony's parents had him talk to a counselor. He didn't want to at first, but things slowly started getting better. The real Tony returned when he got some balance back in his life and reconnected with those around him. So how does someone become addicted? Why can't they just stop? Sometimes a person starts using a substance or behavior to fit in. Other times, it's to ease the pain from a traumatic experience or mental health issues. It also has to do with how the brain works. When you do something that feels good or exciting, like eating ice cream, the pleasure pathways in your brain are activated and feel-good chemicals are released. This same pleasure pathway is activated when you consume drugs or alcohol. Over time, the pathways in your brain get used to having this thing in your life, which can make it really hard to stop. If you feel like you just can't stop doing something, you're not alone. With the help of a counselor, you can begin to work to get your brain back from being hijacked. It will take time for your brain to create new pathways, but you can get back on track and find some peace in your life.
So, naman yung sa tanong na. Next question. Answer the following question. What is the video all about? Say, Michael.
Addiction.
Addiction. Very good. Isa mo yan. Maro daw. Sagot daw. Ikaw. Drugs. Isa mo yan. So what have you learned from the video you have watched? Isa mo yung na-learn na to? Joseph, isa man. Don't get addiction, di ba? Si kisa doon nagkuhan sa video si Tony. So si Tony is dati ko siya grado. Sa una, kung pa siya na-addict sa video games. So until nga siya, sige siya gulag video games, na-addict na siya. Ang iyang mga homework is wala na niya. Yan sila, wala na niya gihimo. Kaya na-addict na siya sa video games. So that's why ang iyang grado is na-decrease, di ba? Namubo na siya, namubo. Sige po siya absent sa kanyang eskwela kaya magguna na siya video games. Mukating siya, di susunod sa klase. Kaya na-addict na siya sa video games. So, boto siya. Gabi ka ning dangerous kung ikaw ma-addict ka. Diba? Yung ato mong kung ma-addict mo ang atong brain is, magawa siya og dopamine. Isa ang dopamine. Mo na ang dopamine. Mo na yung manghatay sa ato ang paggawa sa hormones na good hormones. Happy hormones. Happiness hormones. Diba? Kung sobraan mo sobraan na tanda, it means addict na tao. Wala yung balance ang ato ang life. What are the consequences when you abuse drugs? Ano sabi yung consequence?
You ignore everything else.
Ignore everything else. What else? Ito yun. Ha? Ano ba yun? Diba? Ang consequences niya is, di na ka makapokus sa imong pag-eskwela. Diba? Di na ka focus, kasi sige na magkati na lang ka, for example sa video games. Di na ka focus, expect yung mga dapat grado, yung parents. So wala na, guys, sige, na magkating niya ay, nag-aadin sa video games, dili na mo pa sa homework. Satan, so, what is drug? Muna ang answer nyo. Kopyahan ninyo, be.
Ano?
Kanya lang. Drag. Kanya lang. Course na writing at. Course na writing. Hindi ka, practice mo kay grade 5 mo, grade 5. Practice kay grade 5 na.
May ang pan na.
Kinapit na mo mag grade 6 niya, di ba mo course na writing.
Mag-drag. Mag-drag tayo. Sir, proceed.
Oh, course na writing. Bakit magsulat ko, check na. Check na kung ano ron, ma'am.